Welcome back. This is part 2 of this special webinar on pitching to win. In the last clip, I shared why I believe that now is an essential moment for many organizations to upskill their sales professionals in the world of omnichannel pitching and building deep levels of trust during the pitch. Now, let's get down into the detail. I'm going to share with you some top tips from our Pitching to Win workshop on the topic of memorable persuasion. And so just like a best-selling book, a blockbuster movie, or a theatre production, all winning pitches have a clear beginning, a middle, and an end. And you, as the presenter, are responsible for taking your audience through a clearly signposted journey that engages, inspires them, and gets them to follow your recommendations. So I'm going to share with you 4 techniques that can strategically be incorporated into your story and your pitch book to make your pitches more successful. So first of all, scarcity and urgency. And so if you're able to create a psychological trigger that creates a sense of limited availability or time pressure that will increase the perceived value or attractiveness of your offer. And so, for example, if you're able to offer limited time discount or a bonus for renewing a contract before a deadline, this can motivate your prospects to act quickly to avoid missing out on a good deal. Let's talk about social proof. And so the principle of social proof says that people are more likely to adopt a particular behavior or make a decision when they see other people doing the same. So can you incorporate customer testimonials or case studies into your presentation to show how your product or service has helped businesses solve specific problems? And so if you can display well-known or reputable clients, this can also boost your credibility and your trustworthiness. What about loss aversion? Well, this is the idea that people are twice as likely to be upset over losing something that they already own than the pleasure that they gain from getting something new. So, for example, are you able to show the prospect how much money or time that they're losing by sticking with their current situation? And how can your solution help them avoid or reduce some of those losses? And then finally, framing and anchoring. So framing and anchoring are 2 principles of behavioral economics that can help you influence how your prospects perceive your offer. Framing is the way that you present information to emphasize its benefits, such as framing your product as a solution to a specific problem that your prospect is facing at the moment. Anchoring is the tendency to rely on the first piece of information as a reference point to subsequent judgments. So, for example, if you're able to set a high price for your product, which would make your prospect more likely to accept a lower price point later on, or perceive your product to be more valuable. So, in the next part of this webinar on pitching to win, I'm going to look at core attribute number 2, high impact delivery.